possible bambino. I thought it might be a rabbit, but I think it's a baby. Yes, a baby whitetail deer fawn. Gotta use those long names if you're gonna put it on YouTube, so everybody knows what it is, right? Let's go investigate. I mean, the last couple of days we had a flood. You can see that on my aerial videos from the Mavic Pro drone. Yeah, it has been raining quite a bit. I think this is 5/23, 2020. Towards the end of the C19 Dem Panic. Moving in here. Yeah, there he is right there. Let's just kind of creep up on him. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's just sleeping there. So cute. Let's move in on him. I'm already zoomed in. There he is. Oh yeah. Hello, little fella. Where's your mama today? Is your mama gone shopping? Down at Walmart? I bet she's down at Walmart and left you here, right? Let's get over here where the sun can see you better. There you go. Wow, are you small? I just want to show how big you are. I usually do this. I usually just put my foot there. See? So you're a pretty good size. You could probably run pretty good, I imagine. Now I know your mama just left you here during the day so that she could do her thing. And then she'll come back later tonight and get you, right? Pick you up for dinner. A little bit of sip of milk. Just a little bit of a sip of milk would be good in the evening. Yep. Oh, I heard something. I thought I heard a snort. Is there a deer around here? I hope a deer don't charge me. No, it's just my wife. Oh, excuse me, my spousal unit. Yeah, during the new PC land here, we can't use terms like husband and wife. We now have to use spousal unit. Anyway, but what do we do about these babies that come along? We call them Bambino unit. All right, let's get down here and see if we can talk a little more. You're probably mad because you're wanting to sleep right now. Is that it? Yeah.
Hi, cutie.
You're just so cute. And you don't get to keep your spots forever, so you might as well show them off, right? Show off those spots. Yeah.
Did you pet it?
I didn't pet it. You can pet it. There we go.
Hi there. Hey. How you doing, buddy?
Now, some people think if you get your scent on the fawn, the mother will reject it. That's not true.
Hi there,
Don't
buddy.
even think that.
Did you have a good night's sleep in my backyard? I'm sure you did. You're a cutie. Yeah. I seen you out running around on the golf course yesterday. Come on, let's go. Let's take a little walk. You want to take a little walk with us?
Let's do a walk and then we'll take a selfie. You want to do a selfie? Together? No? A selfie would be nice. I'll hold the phone up. Actually, I don't have a phone. I have a camcorder. That's why it's so easy to do this Zoom stuff. But the spousal unit has a cell phone. She could do a selfie with you. Yeah. Hey, you want to make us a noise? You want to do a bleat? Oh, there we go. Oh.
Oh, I didn't.
There he goes.
What, did I startle him?
There he goes. Yep. Well, I asked him if he wanted to do a bleat.
Come here.
He's going over there. There he goes.
Where is he going?
He's going way over there. His mama's in the grass over there, I guess.
Oh, is it?
Oh well, he's gone. And signing out for now. We'll talk to you later. Have a good time on the tube. Stay safe.